What if I told you that by 2030, AI markets worth well over $1.3 trillion will be up for grabs, and you don't need to be a developer to tap into them? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where the biggest AI opportunities are and why you need to pay attention right now. Today, we're diving into some of the fastest growing AI markets scaling at an extraordinary pace. We're talking about AI voice agents. Currently around $41 billion, projected to surpass $50 billion by 2030. AI automations, already estimated at $827 billion, expected to exceed $1.2 trillion by 2030. Chatbots, forecasted to grow from $20 billion to $30 billion. By 2030, AI agents, projected to reach between $47 billion and $52.6 billion by 2030. These markets are pushing past $1.3 trillion in value by the end of the decade, and businesses are not waiting. Adoption rates across industries are already high. The reason is simple: economics. A task that costs a company $6 with human labor can drop to 50 cents with AI. That's not incremental improvement. That's a restructuring of operating costs. This is no longer optional. It's becoming a competitive necessity. Companies that delay adoption risk being outpaced by leaner competitors running on AI systems. But here's the shift most people haven't fully processed yet. You don't need to be a software engineer to enter this space. With modern AI platforms and no-code tools, everyday builders are already creating voice agents, automations, chatbots, and workflow agents, and getting paid to deploy them for businesses. In this video, we're going to break down the real opportunity behind each of these markets, why businesses urgently need these systems, and the 5 types of AI solutions you can start building today. Let's begin.
I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions and billions of different AI agents. Let's start with AI agents. Now, when most people hear AI, they think chatbot. Simple question, simple answer. But an AI agent is something completely different. An AI agent is not just a bot that responds. It understands, it decides, and it takes action on its own. Think of it like this. It has a brain and it understands what you want. And it has hands. It actually completes the task. That combination is what makes AI agents powerful. This is where things shift from AI replying to AI working. Instead of just answering a customer, an AI agent can pull data from different systems, analyze information, make decisions based on logic, execute tasks automatically. It doesn't wait for step-by-step instructions every second. It operates with goals. Now, let's talk about why this matters for a business. The biggest advantage is leverage. AI agents allow a company to scale operation without scaling payroll. They reduce the repetitive decision-making. They eliminate bottlenecks. They operate 24/7. They don't get tired, and they process information instantly. For a business owner, that means lower costs, fast execution, and higher efficiency. And in competitive markets, speed and cost control win. Now, let's look at real-world use cases. Customer service, an AI agent doesn't just answer FAQs. It can check your order status, process refunds, update accounts, escalate issues when necessary, all automatically. In lead handling, it can qualify prospects, respond instantly, schedule appointments, follow up, and even update the CRM without a human touching it. In operations, it can monitor workflows, flag issues, reorder inventory, generate reports, and coordinate between departments. In sales, it can track management, personalize outreach, and trigger follow-ups based on behavior. In internal teams, it can summarize meetings, assign tasks, and track progress automatically. This is not futuristic. Businesses are already moving in this direction because the efficiency gap is too big to ignore. And here's the exciting part for you. You don't need to build this from scratch with complex coding. There are tools that makes this accessible. OpenAI assistants and agent frameworks, LangChain, AutoGen, Zapier with AI integrations, Make.com, Relevance AI, Flowise. These platforms allow you to connect AI models to real-world tools such as CRMs, email systems, databases, calendars, and turn them into action-taking systems. This is where opportunity lives because most businesses don't know how to implement this. They don't know how to design the workflows. They don't know how to structure the logic. But you can learn it. And when you understand how to build AI agents that solve real business problems, you're not selling AI. You are selling efficiency, automation, and scale. Before we move on, if you are interested in building these types of AI systems for businesses, check out the links below. Now, let's move to the next opportunity. Most people think of voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. Cute, convenient, maybe fun to play with, but the reality, voice agents are way more than that. A voice agent is an AI that listens, understands, and responds, all through natural conversation. It's like having a team member who can talk, take instruction, and complete tasks, but never sleeps, never complains, and can handle hundreds of interactions at the same time. Think of it like this. It has a brain. It understands your question, your commands, and your intent. It has hands as well. It can take action, schedule appointments, pull data, or even guide someone through a process. Because it's voice-based, it removes friction. People can interact with it naturally without menus, buttons, or forms. They just talk and the AI acts. Now, why does this matter for a business? The biggest advantage is accessibility and scale. Imagine a company with thousands of customer inquiries every day. A human team would be expensive, slow, and prone to errors. A voice agent, it handles them instantly, consistently, and 24/7. And it's not just about speed. It's about improving customer experience. A smooth, human-like conversation builds trust, loyalty, and satisfaction, all without hiring more staff. Here's what voice agents can do in the real world. Customer service, answering questions, troubleshooting problems, sales and lead generation, qualify prospects, provide product info, and even book appointments. Internal operations, guide employees through processes, answer HR questions, or assist with training. Healthcare, triage calls, give reminders, or provide information quickly. Retail and e-commerce, assist customers with product recommendations, order tracking, and reg terms, instantly and efficient. These are all practical revenue-driven use cases, and businesses are adopting them fast. Now, here's the most exciting part for you. Building a voice agent doesn't need coding an entire AI from scratch. There are tools that make it simple to create voice-powered solutions for real business needs. Warpy, Retail AI, SynthFlow AI, VoiceFlow, Planned AI, and Live Kit are some of them. With these tools, you can design a voice agent that talks to humans, connects to systems, and takes action all without writing complex code. The opportunity is huge. Voice agents are not just about conversation. They are about efficiency, accessibility, and automation at scale. And most businesses don't know how to implement them yet, which means there's a massive gap you can fill. You're not selling tech. You're selling better experiences, fast services, and smart operations. And that is exactly what companies are willing to pay for you. Okay, let's dive into chatbots. Most people think of chatbots as just little pop-ups on websites that answer basic questions. But the truth, modern chatbots are more powerful than that. The chatbot isn't just answering yes or no. It can understand intent, guide conversations, and take action, all automatic. And because it's text-based, chatbots are perfect for high-volume interactions. They can engage thousands of users at the same time without fatigue, delays, or mistakes. Now, why does this matter for businesses? The biggest advantage is scaling communication while reducing costs. Imagine a company with hundreds of support tickets, inquiries, or leads every day. The human team can only do so much and mistakes happen. The chatbot, it handles conversation instantly, consistently, and 24/7. And it's not just about efficiency, it's about experience. Customers, it answers instantly. Leads are nurtured in real time. Operations run smoother. That's why companies are investing heavily in chatbots, projected to hit $20 to $30 billion by 2030. Here's what chatbots can do in the real world. Customer support, answering FAQs, resolve common problems, and escalate complex issues. Lead generation and sales, engage prospect, qualify leads, recommend products, and schedule follow-ups. E-commerce, assist shoppers, track orders, and provide personalized recommendations. Internal teams, answer employee questions, guide workflows, and assist with onboarding or HR tasks. Marketing, automate campaigns, engage users, and collect feedback instant. These are practical revenue-driven use cases, and businesses are moving fast to adopt it. Now, here's the exciting part. You don't need to be a programmer to build these chatbots. There are tools that make it simple to create sophisticated business-ready bots. Make.com, N8N are some of them. With these tools, you can build a chatbot that not only talks to users but also connects to systems, triggers action, and solves real problems. The opportunity is huge. Most businesses don't know how to structure a chatbot that actually drives value. That's where you come in. You're not just creating a bot. You are building efficiency, boosting sales, and improving customer experience. AI automation is where the magic is. Not just responding or talking. These systems actually perform tasks across multiple tools and platforms automatically. And because it's fully automated, it can handle complex processes that would take humans hours or even days in a matter of minutes. Now, why does this even matter for a business? The biggest advantage is time efficiency. Companies are drowning in repetitive work. Data entry, lead routing, report generation, and customer follow-ups, inventory updates. AI automations take all of that off the table. They reduce errors, speed up processes, and free up teams to focus on high-value work. And the scale is insane. The AI automation market is poised to grow from $827 billion today to over $1.2 trillion by 2030. That's how much businesses are beginning to invest in saving time, money, and resources. Here's what AI automations can do in real life. Sales workflows, automatically assign leads, send follow-ups, and update CR without human input. Marketing campaigns trigger personalized emails, manage sequences, and analyze engagement instantly. Operations book data between systems, create reports, and monitor KPIs automatically. Customer support combine chatbots, emails, and ticket systems to resolve requests faster. Internal processes manage approvals, notifications, and task assignments seamlessly. The beauty of AI automation is you don't need to code everything from scratch. There are tools that let you connect AI with business workflows in minutes. For example, Make.com lets you build powerful workflows connecting dozens of apps. N18 is an open source platform to automate tasks across systems. Zapier is simple, no-code automation connecting apps and AI. OpenAI agent system will bring AI intelligence into any workflow to make decisions and act automatically. With these tools, you can design systems that think, act, and coordinate across platforms, all without a single line of heavy programming. Here is the opportunity. Most businesses know they need automation but don't know how to implement it. That's where you come in. By creating AI automations, you are not just building systems, you are solving real business problems, saving time, cutting costs, and improving results. And in a world where speed and efficiency are everything, that's exactly what companies will pay for you.